Hello everyone! Welcome back to Maze Trains. I know uploads on this channel are very uncommon, but come on. My main focus is the Maze Elevators, Plumbing, and Trains YouTube channel. But recently, I got a bit of a haul of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new steam engines, 1 diesel, a few tenders, and a passenger car. Here's everything that I got. First, we'll start with the only of the steam engines that runs. It's this It's a Rivarossi B&O 98. I believe it's a tank engine, but I'm not too sure. A Santa Fe 260. This is made by Bachmann. It does not run, but it does have a working smoke mech. You can see it in there, like little orange bit. That's the smoke mech. There's this one which tries to run. However, in order to get to move, it does need a little bit of assistance. A Santa Fe 060, which is also made by Bachmann, just like the 260. Some random, what I believe to be Union Pacific 040. It doesn't run really. And lastly but not least, the last of the engines, it's the only diesel I got. A B&O FP45. With some authentic poo-poo stains. Poo stains! The last thing I got was an old Tyco Amtrak combined car. Let me turn off the with a lighted interior, and it looks really good, especially when behind my Rivarossi Blue Goose. Seriously, these two look great together. God bless.